Speedy case here. You've now selected the detailing and packages link video. What we're going to do here is we're going to help you out a little bit about with the packages here. If you have any questions or anything like that, that's what these videos are meant for, and we'll be adding videos throughout our site. So you'll find here underneath our detailing pricing and packages, you'll see the mobile auto detailing packages, aircraft detailing packages, boat detailing packages, semi or rig, semi RV, motorcycle detailing, and additional packages. And those are listed underneath our Columbus, Ohio location. Now you'll find that there's different offerings for each location on this current site. We will be having other current business opportunity locations that will be adding on to here. But these are our most current ones currently. So depending upon what you're clicking, if you click on the mobile auto detailing packages link, this link here actually is our most commonly sold packages. What we've done is we put together this link for easy access for our clients that really want to see the most commonly utilized packages. And you'll find here that it has the complete restoration package, the full interior, the vehicle car care package, a rejuvenation package, and the complete exterior sealant package. And there's a couple others. So that'll go down through the most commonly sold packages. Now, if you're looking for other services for your auto, you can click on additional auto detailing packages. Now, if you're looking for other services such as aircraft detailing packages, you would click on the aircraft detailing packages link. So this will go down through a little bit about the aircraft detailing. Of course, we can't put every breakdown for every aircraft. There's thousands of them out there. So what we always recommend, give us a call. We can kind of go through the your aircraft, what you might be looking for, and give you a professional estimate via phone. Typically, all of our estimates that are given over the phone are within the proximity of the estimate that's given. We are always within that dollar amount, not unless something's not explained over the phone or information's not provided. So if you're looking for other services at other locations, we do, if you're looking for shows and events and you want to do an event and you're a manufacturer for a specific brand, or maybe an RV or an aircraft, whatever it may be, we come out, we can set up the events, we do all the professional detailing side of it, and we also do the professional setup side of it. If you need to get displays set up, if you need to coordinate anything, we can help you out with that. And we'll get into more of that underneath the shows and events. We'll put a video there as well. But this will give you a little bit of an idea of when you click on the detailing prices and packages here, it'll give you a little bit of help throughout and navigate that.